to my economics chit chat session today. I'm going to speak about a very interesting topic known as the rush towards the financial services, or probably I'm looking into the factor called as financial technologies that are evolving of late in the market. Over the last 3 or 4 months, we have been seeing that most of the banks, financial institutions have been coming up with different kinds of apps, different kinds of digital platforms to reach the people. This is because we are seeing that at some point of time, the retail consumption has to increase. It has to go up. It has to come to the level which the businesses are able to appreciate and take it forward. So probably every bank, be it a small one or a larger bank or a nationalized or private bank, they're all trying to come up with some solution through which they can reach the customer and again push the retail loan lending process. How is this going to take our economy forward, or what is it actually going to do for our economy? In a simple way, if we have to understand this, we need to start looking into the factors of growth. The moment the banks are able to push money into the hands of the consumer, by default, a spending cycle will get started. Now, to start that spending cycle, to make the consumer invest in something productive, the banks have to convince the customer that there is an availability of loan, availability of finance at ease, at accessible manner altogether. So what the banks are typically trying to do is that they are getting more and more on the digital platform, trying to push the loans towards the consumers. Now for the consumers, they still are in a dilemma. Why? Because after the COVID-19, most of the consumers are still thinking which business would be more sustainable, which business would have more reasonable success altogether in the coming years. So for the consumer, it is not just about the money factor. For the consumer, it is more about the decision factor. So what is happening in the economy here is that somewhere down the lane, both the banks and the consumers are trying to come towards an equation or to a balanced scenario where they are able to derive a win-win situation on both sides. That is the reason today if you start looking into the private banks, be it Bandhan Bank or Ratnakar Bank Limited, HDFC, ICICI, Axis, most of the private banks are going in for quick mergers, are going in for fundraising, and they are ready to start promoting banking to the next level as far as possible. And when India becoming a larger consumer base of loans and financial requirements, probably the push for financial technology, the technology inclusion in financial sector is becoming of greater need for us. Now, in the coming years, what we would be able to see is that banks trying to consolidate the operation, trying to become more and more investive, more and more integrative towards the consumer process altogether. They do not want to be a standalone system anymore. They want to be an integrated system which can drive the entire economy, which can drive the entire consumption sector moving forward. So this is going to be quite an interesting phase for most of us here, because we are now going to see that the bank trying to come closer to the consumer in different platforms, in different methodology altogether. Nowadays, if you start looking into the banking sector, whenever you go to an ATM or whenever you happen to visit a branch, the instant loan or the instant personal gratification in terms of loans or financial services are available to the consumer right on the screen, right on the counter itself. There was a time in India where to get a loan, you need to stand in queue, you need to produce the documentation, you need to wait for the time to happen. But now it is becoming more and more instant, more and more easier for the consumer to approach the bank. So with this rise, with this phenomenon, what we are going to see is that the banks trying to make the consumer spend more and start getting the economy on a revival path. So in the coming years, we would not be surprised with the factor that if banks start coming up with packages, with systems or with processes that provide the consumer a one-stop solution. So in the coming years, we are also going to see that the entire banking system coming into a single app rather than just talking about mobile banking. Now we are going to talk about the mobile transactions, the entire business being wrapped inside an app and trying to deliver at a faster pace. So the next generation of banking, the next generation of economic revival will be directly onto the digital marketing of financial services. With this, we are going to move leagues ahead and we are going to make a difference in terms of consumption, in terms of the economic revival. With this, I would like to conclude today's topic. I wish and I really appreciate my subscribers to please have a view into my channel. Please do subscribe, please do share your opinions and ideas. We shall be able to learn together. Meet you again in the next session. Until then, goodbye and good luck. Thank you once again.